Morning students. Today I am going to start the third unit, water storage and distribution system. So here you can see in this syllabus, storage and balancing reservoir, types, location and capacity, distribution system, layout, hydraulics of pipelines, pipe fittings, valves, including check and pressure reducing valves, meters, analysis of distribution systems, leak reduction, maintenance of distribution system, pumping stations and their operation, house service connection. Coming to distribution, what is meant by distribution of water? So after the treatment, the water is stored temporarily in the reservoir, that means tank. Then it is supplied to the consumer through the network of pipeline is called distribution system. So the distribution system, it includes the pump, reservoir, pipe fitting, instrument, and measurement of pressures, flow leak detectors, etc. So here you can see the requirements of a good distribution system. It is very, very important. So many times they ask this question in semester exam. So what is the requirement for good distribution system? They should convey the treated water up to the consumer with the same degree of purity. So the water should be, after the treatment, it will be the free from impurities. So if the distribution system, the pure water is conveyed to the consumers. Then the system should be economical and easy to maintain and operate. The diameter of the pipe should be designed to meet the fire demand. It should save against any future pollution as far as possible, should not lay below the sewer line. So, because to avoid the contamination, pollution should be the pipeline. If you see in the roadways, both the drainage pipeline and water pipeline laid together. So, you should take careful laying the pipeline should not polluted. In case of any leakage occur means what will happen? There will be contamination occur. So the water should be supplied without interruption even when repairs are undertaken. In that particular area, when there is a repair work means then it should not affect the water supply to the another area. You should take care. These are the good requirement for good distribution system. In the last point, the system should be designed so that supply should meet the maximum hourly demand. So whatever the demand, it should designed as per the requirement. So the system of distribution system. Here you can see how we are going to distribute the water. What is the systems? There are three types of system: gravity system, pumping system, dual system, or combined gravity and pumping system. So here you can see in this picture the gravity system. You can see. So when some ground sufficiently high above the city, sufficiently high above the city, here you can see the picture showing the here you can see gravity system. So the ground is city area is available high, then the distribution point. So this method is also much suitable when when the source of supply such as lake, river, impounding reservoir is sufficiently higher than the city. So here you can see the source at the pump house. That is the clear water after treatment. Here it is stored. Then through the gravitational force, no need of pumping nothing. So due to the land land for geological formation. So the water is supplied to the town. Next is gravity pumping system. The constant pressure can be maintained in the system by direct pumping into mains. So here you can see this is the source of water and the pumping station. Then the clear water is stored in the reservoir. Then there is a pump house. Through the pump house, the water is distributed to the consumer. The pumping system. Then combined pumping and gravity system. So this is also known as dual system. The pump is connected to the main as well as the elevated reservoir in the beginning. When the demand is small and the water is stored in the elevated reservoir, but when the demand increases, the rate of pumping is done. So the flow in the distribution comes from the pumping station as well as elevated reservoir. Here the elevated reservoir and the pump house. Then water through the pump house, the water is taken to the distribution. Next, so this is the combined and pumping system. So far we have seen what is meant by distribution of water and the requirements of good distribution and the system of distribution. So what are all the systems? Three types of system. And the next we'll see the layout of distribution system. So here you can see there are four types of layouts. Using this we supply the water to the street by street to the community. Dead-end system or tree system, gridiron system, circular or ring system, radial system. So I'll share another PPT. See, the layout of distribution network. Here you can see dead-end system. So this is the picture. You can see the dead-end or tree system. It is suitable for old towns and cities having no definite pattern of roads. So dead-end or tree system here you can see this is the main, this dark line is the main pipe and there is a branch pipe. So it is denoted as B and the submain is S. Submain is S and the dot here indicates the cutoff walls. So this only one mains and there are so many branches. From the branch there is a main and submains. Submains from the submains there is a branch. Then there is a cutoff wall. So here you can see the cutoff wall is in less number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So each direction there is a cutoff wall. Here you can see the from the main to submain there is one cutoff wall. So here also in this direction one cutoff wall, but there are so many branch lines. It is relatively cheap, and the advantage of this dead-end system is relatively cheap, determination of discharge and pressure easier to the less number of walls. So here it is suitable for old towns and cities having no definite pattern of roads. The disadvantage is due to many dead ends, stagnation of water occurs in pipes. So I hope you all understand this dead-end system or tree system. The radial system. The area is divided into different zones. The water is pumped into the distribution reservoir kept in the middle of each zone. The supply of pipes are laid radially ending towards the periphery. So here you can see the radial system. So here this dot is distribution reservoir. There is a reservoir. Through the reservoir, the water is supplied and only one main and there is sub main and there are two many branches. So it gives quick service. Calculation of pipe size is easy. Calculation of pipe size is easy. Then next, gridiron system. Here you can see it is suitable for cities with rectangular layout, where the water mains and branches are laid in rectangles. So here you can see there is a main and there is a sub main. Again there is a branch and cut down walls. The water is kept in good circulation due to the absence of dead end. In the case of breakdown, in some section, water is available for some other direction. So here there are so many walls. So we can close the wall at a particular branch and there we can supply water to the other section. Disadvantage, exact calculation of sizes of pipe is not possible due to provision of walls nor capsules. Next, coming to ring system, the supply of main is laid along the peripheral roads and sub-main branch out from the main. This system also follows the gridiron system with a full pattern, similar like rated system. So here you can see there is a main. So outer there is a mains and inner there is a sub mains. That is a pipeline, branch line also. So this system also follows gridiron system. So determination of size of pipe is easy here. Water can be supplied to any point from at least two directions. The main pipe, branch pipe, sub main, cut off points. The method of distribution already explained. What was the method of distribution? Gravity system, pumping system, then combined gravity and pumping. So with this, I'll stop. The next class will start with reservoir. What is meant by reservoir? What are all the types of reservoir? Then points to be considered. Then all this I will explain it later.